Welcome back. It's art time class. Today, we're going to be checking out the art room and the areas inside. Let's get started. Hey there, I hope you're ready to explore the art room. Before we head inside, you'll notice in the space where we line up, there is a poster of my schedule in case you ever need to find me, and the gallery wall space. I use these inserts throughout the year to change artwork and showcase the work done in the art room. Let's go inside and check it out. When you come in, the first thing you're going to do is get some hand sanitizer, and that is right here. We all share materials in the art room, so it's really important that we sanitize our hands when we come in so they're clean and ready to use. The things found at the supply table. So here you'll see the things that we'll be using in our project. And it is your responsibility to put things back here the way you found them. If you need to wash your hands, you'll see the sink is right here. And then if there is a line to line up at the sink, the line is actually right over here where these dots are. Only one person should be on the carpet. Solo uno persona a la alfombra. Only one person should ever be on the carpet at a time. When we're washing our hands, the next person in line should be standing on that pink dot. You can see it goes down that right there. Okay. And notice that this area, this is walking space. There should be no one standing there. Okay. No pariente aquí, no pariente aquí. Pariente aquí sí. No pariente. Okay. If you do need to go to the bathroom, only one person goes to the bathroom at a time in the art room. And the cone is right here. When you're using it, just put it at your table spot so we can all see who is out. So say you sit over here, you leave it right there so we know that you are out. And when you come back, you can put it there, right back where it goes, okay? So that's kind of the area back in the classroom. Now, moving into the classroom, you'll notice on this side is the whiteboard. There is the objective, maybe a vocabulary word. It's usually a sentence or two long. Over here is the class boxes. Inside each box is the class set of sketchbooks. And that's where you'll put your sketchbooks and your baggies and other project materials that you are working with, just you. Remember, if it's shared materials that everyone uses, that will go back here to the supply table over there, way back over there. Okay, moving into the front of the classroom, we see the dance floor or the places where we have our spots. There is going to be a spot and a chair for each student. When you come in to the classroom, I might ask you to sit on your chair spot or your dot spot, just depending on the activity and what we're working with. You'll also notice over here at the teacher's area, there is some extra spots at that front area, all the way around the teacher's area down here. That's the line to leave. When we line up, we're going to line up on this line here and really pay attention to not cross over to the teacher area. This is the teacher's desk. This is my area. Please do not go here. Only adults. Solo adultos aquí. No niños. No niños over here. Solo adultos. Okay? So when you're lining up, make sure you don't cross that line. If you notice someone crosses the line, just politely, kindly ask them and remind them to follow that. And speaking of kind words, all those things that we're going to do, this is the classroom contract up here. It's super duper important, the classroom contract. We are going to be safe by pacing our space and walking. Always walk, give each other space, personal space. We're going to be safe by having our hands, keep your hands, feet, and objects to yourself. If you come in here, you got a necklace, keep it to yourself. Keep your hands, keep your feet to yourself. We're going to be respectful with each other by sharing and taking turns with those materials. At that back supply table, you gotta share and take turns. We're always use kind words. That's super important to me. Let's use kindness. Okay, I'm gonna use kindness. especially if you use kindness. I'm going to use a lot more kindness. The more kindness you use, the more kindness I'm going to use. We're going to also listen. Not just listen to me. Don't just listen to me. Listen to each other and respond appropriately. We're going to be responsible by sit and raise your hand for help. If you need help, I am here to help you, but sit. Raise your hand for help. And then lastly, at the bottom here, it says keep area clean and dispose of trash neatly. You are responsible for picking things up. And you'll notice there's a little trash can over here. There's usually a little trash can by my desk. We've got that big trash can by the sink where you wash your hands too. I cannot wait to see you in the art room. Here we are in the art room. I can't wait to see you here.